Hey guys, quick announcement to let you know that DJI FLY 1.4.8 has just been released on the iOS App Store. It will be on Android as well on the DJI Download Center. So I'm going to be testing this out very shortly and doing a full review. But what does this bring? So this brings support for this new DJI Mini SE. We've been talking about this a lot recently, and it's clear this is coming out imminently because it's now on the support page before it's actually been officially announced by DJI. So DJI Mini SE coming really soon. It also adds support for a trim down on the Air 2S, improves the camera exposure parameters, and then the attitude indicator, that new compass in the bottom left hand corner, it says it optimizes that. So I'm going to be testing this out fully today. Hopefully for those people who were having problems with the last version of the DJI FLY app, this will actually make the flying experience, any lag or crashing of the app, a lot better for you. So if you want to hold off actually upgrading to this yet, just until the next video, which will be out very soon, where I'm going to do a full test on this, just like always. But the main features are obviously the DJI Mini SE, which is dropping imminently. That is now supported, and then I want to actually find out how this new compass is and just what the app is like. Is it more stable? Is it fine? Any problems? And I'll let you guys know very soon. So stand by.